Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about XRP Ripple coin friends. So what's the currently condition of XRP Ripple coin and what change goes at this time in XRP Ripple coin? In this video I will show you friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new in my channel, so make sure to subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates friends. Now, friends, first of all, we look the current price occurs in the XRP Ripple coin. The current price, as you can see here, that is the current price 1.16 USD dollar is the current price of XRP Ripple coin in the cryptocurrencies markets. And if we talk about the market rank, so the market rank is about fourth is the market rank of the XRP Ripple coin friend. Now, if we look the currently last 1 hour change, so now at this time the current situation of the XRP Ripple coin gone very badly, negative 2.31% change occur in the last 1 hour frame. Now in the last 1 day price prediction, the last 1 day price change occur in the XRP Ripple coin as positive 9.03%. Now same like that, if we talk about the last 1 day price prediction, so the last 1 day is about negative 17.96% frame. Now let's see the price prediction chart of the XRP Ripple coin. What's the price change goes at this time in XRP Ripple coin? As you can see here, that is the price prediction of the XRP Ripple coin. If we talk about the change occur in the XRP Ripple coin, so the change is about positive 9.03% and the high price of the XRP Ripple coin is about 1.2 per USD dollar friend. Now if we do a technical analysis, that what's the next move occurs in the XRP Ripple coin, so you have to draw two lines. First line support line and second is the resistance line friend. Now let's draw a support line friends. Let's suppose that is a support line friends, as you can see here friend. Now let's suppose that is a resistance line friends. They continue has traveled between these two line friends. As you can see here, take a jump for a little time, again fall down, same like that, take a jump, again fall down. At this point they take a jump and now they are in the farming mode friends. Now as if you can see here, now at this time they are in the farming mode as I show you the last 1 hour price prediction. So that means that now they can hit this support level, and after hitting this support level then maybe goes upward again friends. But we can't say about the future, but according to these technical analysis that we can say that the next move of the XRP Ripple coin falls down and after touching the support line they can again bounce up and take a jump at this time friends. And the future friends, bounce up with the support line and after bouncing they again take a jump friends. So what's your opinion about XRP Ripple coin? I think 70% chances that now at this time they falls down and when this hit strike the support line and bounce with the support line, they again take a jump on it. So your opinion please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.